Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to create your very own custom tools using OpenAGI. Specifically, we'll be building a lyrics finder tool here that retrieves song lyrics based on the artist and the song title using the Surfer API. Whether you're into building automation tools or just love working with AI, this tutorial will be a fun one. So before we dive into the code, let's quickly cover what OpenAGI is. So OpenAGI is a powerful framework created by AI planners to help developers like you and me build intelligent autonomous agents. These agents can perform complex tasks, solve problems, and even handle real-world problems. So what we're building today, we're creating a lyrics finder tool that will search for song lyrics based on the artist and the song title. We're going to use the Surfer API here. While today's tool focuses on retrieving song lyrics, you can apply the same principles to build any custom tool you need, whether it's pulling data from different sources, making predictions, or automating some tasks. So let's get into the coding part. The first step is to install all the necessary libraries here. Once you've installed all of this, I would urge you to restart the runtime and restart the session here. So, how would this help us? This would avoid any dependencies issues in the code further. Once we restarted the session, we need to import the libraries here. We're going to import some components to build a custom lyric file tool from OpenAGI with some other basic libraries here. Then once we're done with this, we have to set up our API keys. We'll be using the OpenAI API key for our LLM. So we have to initialize that. So keep your be handy. We are using an OpenAI model here. You can use any model you like. You can check out other models available on our documentation. Now we come to the main heart of our code, that is the lyric finder class. So what it does is it interacts with the Surfer API to find song lyrics based on the user input. So this class inherits from the base class, the core class of building custom tools in OpenAGI. We have two input fields here, the artist and the song title. These are passed by the user. Next, we have the execute function. This function builds the search query and sends a request to Surfer API. It then passes the response with exact to extract the lyrics. So this is the main part of the entire class. At the end, we also have another function which handles the API response, looking for the relevant field where the lyrics are stored. If it's not found, it returns a friendly message. Once we're done with this, we're gonna run this code. Next next we have to define the worker. So the worker here will use the tool to search for lyrics based on the input. So our worker is called the song searcher. We've given it a role, which is of a lyric searcher. We've given it a very descriptive prompt as instructions. And for the actions, we have given it the same tool which we just created. Next, we have to set up the admin. The admin will manage the worker and execute the task. The admin will be responsible for coordinating the process of finding the song lyrics. So here, same for the actions, we provided the lyric finder tool. We have initialized the LLM. For the planner, we have given the task planner. And the human intervention is turned to false in this one. Next, we've assigned the worker here. So the worker, we are just using one worker in this frame. So there's the form searcher one, which we just created. So now our admin is defined. Last, we have to execute this admin. So to execute an admin, you have to provide a query and a description. So here my query was to provide a simple one-line text to provide lyrics of a song. The description is more detailed. It tells the admin to provide the lyrics of a song. We have given the song and the artist's name. So this runs like here it ran for 9 seconds. So it runs for a couple of seconds and you get the lyrics here. As you can see, these are the right lyrics to the song. And yeah, this is how the entire custom tool works. So we successfully created the lyrics finder tool and implied it here. You can now search for song lyrics by providing the artist name and song title. This concept can be adapted for various other tasks as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. If you tried building your own custom tool, you can check out our GitHub. And if you're having any errors, you can reach out to us on our Discord channel. I will be leaving the links to everything below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.